Okay, sir. Good morning. Good morning din, everyone. Today, we're going to interview our selected IT professional, si Sir Jam Pascual. So, first, um, Sir will introduce.
Okay, so I'm Junison Pascual. Mas kilala ako sa Jam. Okay. So currently, I'm the section head of the ICT repairing maintenance. Also, uh, I graduated way back 2018 here in CSPC. So, under the BSIT program. So, 45 years old. Then, also, currently, uh, working in the IT field.
So, sir, how did you get started in the IT field? And what led you to where you are now?
Okay, so I started 2019. After I graduated, 2018, I started working here at the CSPC. Before I'm the internet center in charge. So also at the same time, I'm also a PWG for ICT equipment. So I'm a back member. Uh, so I'm also a part-time instructor, teaching several IT subjects, and also I'm the first instructor here in CSPC that handled the uh, living in the IT era. So I'm the first and only instructor way back then. But recently I stopped teaching because I take MIT Masteral. So, so what led me here in IT? Because before I'm a civilian employee on Royal Saudi Air Force, but after I retire from OFW, I study again my second course. My first course was in AMA, Computer System Design and Programming. But all my jobs after is not aligned with the IT field. So what I do is I study again the BSIT. Then here, all my job then is almost IT related. So that's the story how I become an IT.
So, next question po. Ano yung mga skills na nare-relyan nyo most of the time in the work po?
Most of the time, it was all about the decision making, how to handle the people, the IT people here, because there were times when there's no immediate supervisor or immediate superior is on leave or not present. I'm the one who's in charge with the ICT.
So, next question po. How you face ethical issues in your job po?
In IT, the ethical issues is present also. There are unethical, there are ethical can be observed, but it's very simple. First, you need to be professional. Also, the most important is you need to be honest, because we are catering all the repairs, so we need to be honest for us to serve all the customer, the clients here at the CSPC, the colleges, whether it's students, faculties, or non-teaching personnel. We need to be honest in catering all the IT related problem. So, being ethical is very important in IT professionals because being a successful IT professionals, you need to observe all ethical on, especially on customer service.
So, can you share, sir, na when you had speak for what's is right for the work po, sir? Parang a scenario na nag-speak up ka on what is right on your doing works.
Okay. So, in your work, there were scenario that you must be professional in handling the troubleshooting. For example, in handling the different problem in ITs, especially in repair, you must observe all the guidelines. You must follow the working procedure and the guidelines. So first, if there are clients that need to prioritize their job request, you need as a IT professional related to repair, all you need to do is try to interview, talk to them, what are the scenarios before an event or trouble happen. There are some clients that they talk like a VIP. Okay, so it's very simple to handle that.
So, what has been your toughest challenge in your career so far, and how did you overcome it, sir?
So far, the challenge, wala naman because I'm old enough when I start the IT. So, but before, because the IT is not my dream job. Okay, my dream job is architecture. So, what I did before, kasi sa panahon namin, YouTube lang, doon din na yun natuto. So, ginagawa ko, what I did before is try to watch. I learned how to disassemble and assemble the computer. So, yung challenges so far, pag wala kang tools,
Advice for future IT professional. So, what habit or practice would you suggest to students who want to build a strong ethical value in IT?
sa IT kasi, ang usapan kasi sa IT, skill eh. Skill. But, meron kasing skill na sa IT, ginagawa siyang parang hobby lang. Palipas oras. Pero yung totoo talaga noon sa IT, kung ipo-pursue mo talaga, at meron kasing tinatawag na full stack, merong hindi. Kasi sa IT, pag meron kang photographic memory, isa kang sa mga mayroong photographic memory, advantage ka. Full stack ka. Pero pag hindi, passion mo naman, marunong kang kumalikot, so passion mo. Kaya sa IT, pili ka. You need to choose one. Ano yung magiging specialization? Tutukan mo yon. Sa IT kasi tayo, nga, sinasabi nga, wala tayong board. But, more on certificates and trainings tayo. Halimbawa, sa programmer, kahit anong galing mo, pag namahinga ka, hindi ka doon araw-araw, back to zero ka. Refresh ka uli. Pero yung concept nandoon na kung paano, yun ang importante. Yun yung dapat. So, pag alam mo na kung paano tumakbo yung isang cycle, alam mo na kung saan ka magsisimula. So, kahit anong language pa yan, kakayanin mo. Kailangan updated ka.
So far, sir, okay na po yun yung ano.
Yung na.
It's already done. Thank you, Sir Jang Pascual, for accepting our interview.